the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.